Attempt number 1 of the Broly stage. Nobody heard. Oh. He will do no damage. So do that into that. I don't want to waste my Bulma. Just choosing items is so hard for this event. Okay, where's my ammo? Team, I'm rocking this team. Oh my! So it is Broly the Saiyan who destroyed the South Galaxy. If we don't stop him, he'll destroy the North Galaxy too. The legendary Super Saiyan Broly. Oh, the legendary Saiyan. Gosh, I forgot to put Super. He could even attack all his enemies at the top. The true monster of a Saiyan. What's more, he has a power to raise his stats. A devil indeed. The power. But don't you give up. Broly's skills can be disabled by certain fighters. Try your luck and fight to win. This may be a total fail or maybe success. Probably after an hour. That's the last time it took me. Yes, power Gohan and Goku. Or Trunks. Yeah. Oh, not him.
Not him.
Oh. So now, please stop. He is bigger than me. What the heck? Ooh. Boss battle. Warning, warning, warning. Extreme. The best thing. Like 2 turns. Oh, you guys gonna do nothing. Run so slow. Look at this beautiful speed. It's so slow. Okay, maybe it's a little too loud. Okay, oh my god. Mobazin, stop lagging the game. Hashtag blame Mobazin. Oh! Okay, you tried. So hard. Wow! Jocko's damage was beautiful. I'll give you a 1.0. I don't know. 0 points. That was that bad. Okay. Hey, what about Gohan? Doesn't he have Blazing Battle too? Isn't it the same link? How come that didn't pop up for him? Disables Rampage. Yeah. Okay, they have penetration. Ooh, Trunks just missed Gogeta up. Does that help? No. Okay, let's just put it up. Oh damn, she put Trunks. Okay. Stop lagging! This is not the most beautiful sight to see. Okay. He's like, I'll punch him up in the abs. It'll hurt him. No revolt. Vegeta penetrates through it barely. Oh dear God. Enemy skill activated. I have no stones. I have to be super careful. This could be a total success or a failure. And the blazing battle thing isn't on. Because Goku needs to link with somebody. You don't count because you don't have blazing battle. Oh gosh. Well then there's no point in giving him something strong because he won't do damage now. Just my niece in the background. Oh, I thought you were gonna do a super attack. Okay, good thing I did that. That's 50% of the damage. He could have done 50-something thousand damage and wrecked me. Right there. That's the good thing about Broly. He attacks one turn, then he stops one turn, then he attacks one turn again. That's the blessing of Broly right there. I know it's very hard to believe, but yes, it's true. Vegeta, you want to be in any video? You want to go on YouTube? Frieza's gonna 30-something damage. Okay, he did more. Because he's in Chile. This is gonna take forever. I'll get back to you guys when I'm about halfway. First, let me just show you this. Oh, beautiful.